You're lying on the cold, hard floor, unable to move, heart racing, fear setting in. No one is around. Your phone is across the room. Your body feels heavy. You can't get up. What do you do? This is a terrifying reality many seniors face every single day. And sadly, most people are not prepared for it. But you can be. In this video, we're going to walk through step-by-step survival tips you must know if you ever fall and can't get up. These tips are not just helpful, they can save your life. Stay with me till the very end, because tip number 1 is the most important one that people always overlook. And before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're over 50, or you love someone who is, this channel is dedicated to helping you live safer, longer, and stronger. Alright, let's begin. 10. Stay calm and assess your situation. The very first thing you should do after you fall is to stay calm. It is normal to feel scared or shocked, and your heart might be beating very fast. This happens to everyone. But panicking will only make things worse because it can stop you from thinking clearly. So, try to take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a second, and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Tell yourself, I am okay. I am still alive. This is very important because being alive means you still have a chance to get better and get help. After that, slowly look around you. Check if you are hurt anywhere. Maybe you feel pain in your arm, leg, or back. Look for any cuts or bleeding. Try to move your fingers and toes to see if your arms and legs still work. Also, notice what is around you. Are you lying on something hard like the floor or a table? Is it cold or wet? Is there something near you that you can use for help? All these small details will help you decide what to do next. Remember, staying calm will help your heart slow down and your brain think better. This helps you make smart choices, not quick and dangerous ones. So, even if you hurt yourself, do not panic. Just breathe slowly and stay calm. This is the first and most important step to keep yourself safe. 9. Try to attract attention. If you are alone and cannot stand up right away, the next thing you must do is to get someone's attention so they can help you. Try to shout loudly. Help! Help! Don't just say it one time, say it again and again so someone nearby can hear you. If you have something near you, like a book or a shoe, bang it on the floor or against the wall to make noise. If you have a medical alert button or bracelet, press it right now. If your phone is close enough for you to reach, try to grab it and call someone for help. But what if your phone is too far away? Here's a good idea. Keep a small whistle in easy-to-reach places like your bedroom or bathroom. You can tie it to your bed or to your walker if you use one. It takes less energy to blow a whistle than to shout loudly. This is helpful if you are weak or if you fall often. Another good tool is a voice-activated speaker. These smart devices listen for your voice and can call emergency numbers when you say certain words. Getting ready with these tools before a fall happens will make it easier for you to get help fast. 8. Roll onto your side carefully. If you can move without too much pain, try to roll slowly onto your side. This helps because lying flat on your back can be hard on your body after a fall. Rolling onto your side can make you feel a little better and prepares you to move more. Start by moving your head gently to the side. Then move your shoulders in the same direction. After that, try to turn your hips and legs one at a time. Don't try to do it all in one quick movement. Take your time and do it step by step. Use your arms and elbows to help you roll safely. If you feel a sudden, sharp pain anywhere in your back, hips, or legs, stop moving right away. This might mean you have broken a bone. Once you are on your side, take a slow, deep breath. You are making progress, and this is a good sign. Now you can rest in this position and decide if you feel strong enough to try moving more. The goal here is to avoid hurting yourself more and to slowly get ready to move to a safer place. 7. Crawl to a sturdy object. Next, try to crawl carefully towards something strong that can help you stand up later. This could be a heavy chair, a couch, stairs, or a corner of a wall. Use your elbows and knees to move forward slowly. If crawling on your knees hurts too much, try pulling yourself forward with your arms only. Be careful not to use things that can move or fall, like a small table, a chair with wheels, or something light. These things are not safe because they can slip and cause you to fall again. Move very slowly and take breaks if you feel tired. It's okay if it takes a long time to crawl across the room. The most important thing is to keep moving safely and not rush. Your knees might hurt, or your body might feel tired, but that's normal. Stop and breathe deeply if you need to. Then keep going. Every little bit you move brings you closer to safety and help. 6. Get into a kneeling position. When you reach a strong object like a chair or table, try to get into a kneeling position. From where you are, put your hands on the object to hold on tightly. Use your arms to pull your upper body up slowly. Bring one knee forward so you are kneeling on one knee, while the other foot is flat on the floor in front of you, like when someone is about to stand up or propose. Keep your hands pressed firmly on the furniture so you don't lose your balance. Look down at the floor instead of looking around quickly, because this helps you avoid feeling dizzy or faint. If you start to feel weak or lightheaded, stop and rest in this kneeling position for a while. Take slow breaths and wait until you feel better. This step needs to be slow and steady because many people hurt themselves again when they try to rush standing up. Being patient now will help keep you safe. 5. Slowly push yourself up. Now comes the hardest and most important part, standing up. Keep one knee on the ground and both hands on the chair or object you're holding. Use your arms to push down hard and your stronger leg to slowly lift your body upward. Don't lock your knees straight right away. Keep them a little bent so you don't put too much pressure on your legs. Stand up slowly and carefully. When you get to your feet, don't try to walk right away. Instead, sit down on a chair or something safe nearby. Sitting right after standing helps your body calm down and gives your blood pressure time to settle. It also lets you catch your breath and check how your body feels. You did a great job by standing up slowly and carefully. Many people try to get up too fast and hurt themselves more. But you stayed calm, took your time, and that helped you stay safe and avoid more injury. 4. Check for injuries again. Once you're safely seated, take another moment to check your body again. Why? Because sometimes, right after a fall, the shock and adrenaline in your body can hide pain. You might not notice a bruise, swelling, or sharp ache until your body starts to relax. So, gently run your hands over your arms, your legs, your hips, and your back. Look for anything that feels swollen or warm. These could be signs of injury. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Bend your knees slightly. Move your arms a little. If anything feels stiff, painful, or just off, that's your signal to call for help. And even if everything seems fine, it's a smart move to let someone know you fell. That way, if a problem shows up later, and it often does, you're not alone. Hidden injuries like internal bruising or delayed sprains can take hours to show up. Don't downplay the fall just because you feel okay now. Stay alert. This moment, the quiet after the storm, is your second safety check. And it matters just as much as the first one. 3. Call a friend or a loved one. Even if you feel okay and think the worst is over, don't keep this fall to yourself. Call someone. A friend. A family member. A neighbor. Let them know what happened and how you're feeling. This isn't just for comfort, it's for your safety. If anything changes in the next few hours, if you start to feel dizzy, sore, or confused, someone else already knows what's going on. Falls can be traumatic, and it's easy to feel embarrassed. But never let pride stop you from asking for support. Most people will be relieved you reached out. And if needed, they can bring supplies, food, or just check in later. Remember, recovery doesn't end the moment you get up. It continues through the day and even into the next. Having someone to talk to, laugh with, or even sit silently with can ease the stress and help you relax. You're not alone. Let someone in. 2. Make a record of the fall. Take a moment, once you're comfortable, to make a quick record of what happened. You can write it in a notebook, use your phone's voice recorder, or send yourself a text. What time did you fall? Where were you? What were you doing right before the fall? Did you trip on something? Were you feeling dizzy? These details may seem small now, but they can be incredibly helpful later, especially if you speak with a doctor. Falls can be signs of other health issues like low blood pressure, vision problems, or muscle weakness. The more your doctor knows, the more they can help. Also, reviewing what led to the fall helps you learn. You can make changes to your home, habits, or routines to avoid another one. This isn't about blame, it's about getting better, smarter, and safer. 1. Tell your doctor, even if you feel fine. This is the most important tip of all. Always tell your doctor about the fall. Even if you didn't break anything. Even if you got back up. Even if you feel totally fine. Why? Because your body may be hiding symptoms, or the fall may be a warning sign of something else. Doctors can order balance tests, blood pressure checks, and review your medications. They may even recommend physical therapy to strengthen muscles or refer you to a fall prevention class. These small steps can dramatically reduce your chances of falling again. Most seniors who fall once are likely to fall again. But not if you prepare. Not if you take this seriously. And not if you stay proactive. So promise yourself this: if you fall, no matter how small, talk to your doctor. You owe it to yourself. You deserve to live with peace of mind, not fear. Falls can be scary, but knowing what to do can make all the difference. If this video helped you or someone you love, please give it a thumbs up and share it. It could save someone's life. And remember, every week, we share practical, life-saving tips for seniors just like you. So hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Stay strong.